What is up, guys? We are at the Molina Ghost Run 2023. Oh. So I am not going to pretend to know the history of the Molina Ghost Run, but as far as our history goes, we've done this now 3 times. The first time we went on this event, we took the Colorado and joined the beginner group, and last year we took the YJ and did the moderate group. There's actually 2 more above that, so this year we decided to do hard. Didn't really know what to expect, but when you look at the requirements for the vehicles, it kind of gives you an idea of what sort of obstacles you're going to be looking at. But there's actually one harder called Extreme. Apparently there wasn't a lot of interest in it this year, so we had all of those guys lumped in with us in the hard group. So I ended up not taking my wife and kiddo because we were in the hard. I really didn't know what to expect as far as this trail run goes, but when you look at all these different vehicles in there, you can kind of get an idea of the difficulty level, right? Because everyone wasn't built the same. There were some lesser built rigs and some really built rigs, so we knew that there was going to be bypasses for some of it. It turns out the hard group does pretty much the same thing as the moderate group did last year. It's a lot of dirt, steep trails, some steep climbs. You've got some off-camber obstacles and things like that, but nothing really too hard. And my thought process during the whole thing was, all right, let's do the trail run. We'll have fun, come out here with a group of like-minded people, and then at the end, if we want to get a little bit more dangerous with the obstacles, we can just come back and do that afterwards. And that's what we decided to do. The whole point of the Molina Ghost Run for me is less about the trail itself and the obstacles and more about the people and the vehicles, and knowing that the money is all going to important things that helps us off-roaders do what we love, and that's keep these trails open so we can go four-wheeling.
I just hope these guys don't go really fast because this thing is slow.
We had guys going through here on only 35s without a problem. So you'd think that tons and 40s would be a piece of cake, but everybody's different, I guess.
Driver, driver, driver. There you go. There you go. Stay there. Stay there.
So at this point, the trail run was basically over, and this is when we decided to go get some lunch at our camp and then hit the obstacles again. And this is when we were going to try some of the hard stuff that a lot of us can't come here for. Both Corbin and Ty had made some recent upgrades to their four-door JKs. Both of these things are on tons and 40s, and both did really well on all of these hard obstacles. Because I have so much footage, I'm not going to put it in this video, but stay tuned. We're going to have a video come out that is both of these four-door JKs going through some of the hardest obstacles out there at Hollister. So definitely check that out.
Touching right now, it's flexing a little bit. If not, you need to go that way more.
On passenger, right there, on left, passenger. Right there, hold on. You're gonna come down on it like a passenger. Right there. Nice and easy coming down. There you go, you're out. There you go. Now you're gonna go straight off of that. So keep going straight. Your back's gonna come up. There you go. Yeehaw!
Yeah! That is a magazine picture.
I don't know lines and directions, so if you know them, help the brother out.
Your slider, it's okay. There you go. Woo. A rock in between the box. Right here. You're supposed to stay under the tires. Dive. Oh God. I think I can grab it. Okay.
Oh shit, he got it.
There you go. Nice. Right there. Perfect. Yep. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Nice and done. Nice and easy.
Ooh.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Perfect.
reason on that one. Let the record state.
That's okay. Works good as new now.
Yeah, that's additional air conditioning down there now.
All fixed.
That whistle might even get a deer off the road.
You were a couple inches off the ground.
We were all like this. All right, Don, first time rock crawling. What do you think of this?
I think it's kind of insane.
Yeah, I agree. There's something wrong with everybody out here. There's something just not clicking. So we're back from Molina. Pretty good trip. None of us had any really serious issues. The YJ, the low cog part of it is really cool. You know, that center of gravity keeping us nice and low. It feels less tippy than it used to. The suspension is articulating a lot better, so that's great for us. Being a little bit lower than it was before, especially with the stretch, now our breakover angle is a lot different. And we did get some scrapes, but you know, that's what that armor is there for. Would we do it again? Yeah, I'd totally go to Molina again. I think hard is the perfect group for us. Some of us wanted to do some harder stuff than what was available on that run, but my thought on it was, let's just do the trail run, and then when it's over, we can go find some harder stuff if we want. And that's what we did. So I thought it was a great success. Thank you everyone for putting the event on. It was fun meeting everybody out there and getting to see all the different rigs. Really enjoyed it. So hope you guys liked the clips. We will do it again next year, hopefully. And see you then.